Hi friends, this is Kim from Kimberbell, and today I'm going to show you how to applique on your embroidery machine using our free design, Creativity Blooms. The techniques I'm going to show you can be used for any machine embroidery applique design. So let's go ahead and get started with what stabilizer you're going to use and the three-step process for doing applique. For today, I'm going to use our light mesh cutaway stabilizer, and to prepare my fabric, I'm also going to fuse our fusible backing onto the back of the fabric that we're stitching onto to help reduce pucker. Now let's go ahead and get to that applique. Machine embroidery applique is really a three-step process: the placement line, the tack down line, and then the final outline stitch. Let's go ahead and start with step number 1, the placement line. This is the first stitch your machine makes. It shows exactly where to place your fabric. In the Creativity Blooms instructions, this step is labeled as stitch with a bullet showing which placement line it is. Here it is the large flower. After the placement line, you're ready for step 2, the tack down line. Lay your fabric right side up, making sure it fully covers the shape. Then the machine stitches the tack down line to secure it. This is labeled stitch again, this time for the large flower tack down. Once it's stitched, you're going to trim the excess fabric close to the stitch line. I'm using Kimberbell's double curved applique scissors, but duckbill scissors and flexi snips also work great. Trim steps are shown in blue with a scissor icon, and this one says trim large flower fabric. Now for the final step, the outline stitch. This covers the raw edge and gives the applique a polished finish. Some designs may leave the raw edge on purpose, but today we're finishing with a decorative outline. This is listed as stitch, again, with a bullet showing that we're stitching the large flower's decorative outline. Now before you go, here are 2 quick tips to keep in mind. Tip number 1, if your design has more than one applique shape, like these examples, just repeat the same 3 steps: the placement line, the tack down line, and then the final outline. And tip number 2, sometimes after the tack down line, the machine might add some other cute details like the decorative stitching or the frills before actually finishing that final outline. Just follow the steps in your instructions. And that's it. That's how easy applique can be on your embroidery machine.